If you're over 60 and your skin suddenly looks thinner, drier, and more wrinkled almost overnight, this is for you. Because what's happening to your skin is not just aging, it's a broken repair cycle. In this video, I'll show you how seniors are using one simple nighttime castor oil ritual to soften wrinkles, reduce dryness, and help the skin repair itself again, without pills, injections, or expensive creams. But I'll also warn you about one common mistake many seniors make with castor oil that actually speeds up skin aging if done wrong. I'm Dr. No Pill, and I work with seniors who want to reverse aging naturally and safely. Stay with me till the end. This mistake matters. Subscribe, and let's begin. Ritual 1. Seal the skin before sleep. One of the biggest changes that happens to skin after 60 is not wrinkles, it is moisture escape. Senior skin no longer holds water the way it used to, even if you drink enough and apply creams faithfully. This is why many seniors wake up with skin that feels tight, creased, or papery by morning. It is not because your skin is dry when you go to bed, it is because it cannot seal moisture overnight. As we age, natural oil production declines. This weakens the skin barrier, allowing water to evaporate while you sleep. When this happens night after night, collagen fibers become fragile, fine lines deepen, and skin loses its cushion. This is where castor oil plays a very specific role in skincare for seniors over 60. Castor oil is not a light cosmetic oil, it is a sealing oil. It forms a breathable layer that slows moisture loss and protects the skin's repair environment during sleep. This is critical for anti-aging skincare in your 60s because collagen repair happens mostly at night. If the skin dries out during that window, repair slows down. Castor oil contains a unique fatty acid that helps calm low-grade inflammation. Inflammation is one of the quiet drivers of collagen breakdown in senior skin. When seniors use castor oil correctly, they are not trying to look younger overnight. They are creating the conditions that allow skin to repair itself again. The correct method is gentle, 2 or 3 drops warmed between the fingers and pressed into clean skin, not rubbed aggressively. Pressing matters. It tells the skin to absorb, not resist. Many seniors notice the first change is not fewer wrinkles, it is softer skin in the morning and less tightness around the mouth and eyes. This tells us the barrier is healing. This simple act fits beautifully into holistic health for seniors because it works with the body, not against it. No stimulation, no forcing, just protection. If this explanation is already changing how you think about nighttime skincare, gently like the video. It helps other seniors find this message. But sealing alone is not enough. Here is where many seniors stop and plateau. They seal moisture, but the skin still looks dull or uneven. That is because old skin cells are still blocking renewal. I want to ask you a personal favor. If you are getting any value already, then tap the like button and support this channel to reach more seniors. Ritual 2. Wake the skin without stripping it. Now let me guide you carefully through the next step, because this is where many seniors unknowingly damage their skin while trying to help it. After 60, skin renewal slows down. The natural shedding of dead skin cells that once happened smoothly every few weeks now takes longer. When these old cells sit on the surface, the skin begins to look dull, uneven, and tired, even when it is well moisturized. This is why some seniors feel their face looks older than it should, not because new wrinkles suddenly appeared, but because fresh skin is trapped underneath layers that are no longer releasing on their own. Here's the mistake. Many people respond by scrubbing harder, using strong exfoliants, acids, or rough tools. For senior skin, this does more harm than good. Aging skin does not need aggression, it needs encouragement. This is where baking soda enters the conversation, but only when used with wisdom and restraint. Baking soda is not a daily product. It is not a cleanser. It is a gentle awakener when used correctly and sparingly. Used once a week, baking soda helps loosen old surface cells so newer skin can rise. This improves brightness, smoothness, and allows nourishing oils like castor oil to penetrate better. But there's an important warning here. Senior skin has a naturally acidic surface that protects it. Baking soda is alkaline. Used too often or too strongly, it can disrupt that protective barrier. This is why I teach seniors to think of baking soda as a reset, not a routine. The correct approach is simple and respectful. 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a soothing base like honey, aloe vera, or plain water. Applied gently to damp skin for no more than 30 seconds. No pressure, no scrubbing, just slow circular motion. Then rinse with lukewarm water and immediately follow with castor oil to calm and seal the skin. This sequence matters. Exfoliate first, seal after. When done this way, baking soda does not dry the skin, it prepares it. Many seniors notice their skin looks clearer within days, not tighter, clearer. Makeup sits better, skin feels smoother to the touch, and that dull gray tone begins to fade. This is one reason this ritual fits well into anti-aging natural remedies for seniors. It works with the skin's rhythm instead of forcing change. However, baking soda is not for everyone. If you have very sensitive skin, rosacea, or a compromised barrier, you can skip this step entirely. Castor oil alone can still support skin repair. Holistic health over 60 is about listening, not copying blindly. What matters most is the principle, not the ingredient. The principle is this: old skin must be gently cleared so new skin can appear. When seniors understand this, they stop chasing products and start supporting processes. Now here's something most people don't realize. Even if you seal moisture and gently renew the surface, collagen repair can still stall if inflammation is quietly breaking it down underneath. This is why some seniors see improvement for a few weeks, then feel like progress stops. In the next part, I will show you how seniors protect their collagen so the work you've done doesn't get undone. Remember, if this video is helping you rethink skincare for seniors over 60, tap like and comment "Gentle Reset."
Ritual 3. Calm the skin so collagen can stay intact. Many women over 60 believe collagen loss happens only because the body stops producing it. That is only half the story. The other half is just as important. Collagen in senior skin is often being broken down faster than it can be repaired. This is why some seniors moisturize faithfully, exfoliate gently, and still feel like their skin keeps thinning. The repair work is happening, but something underneath keeps undoing it. That something is low-grade inflammation. After 60, the skin becomes more sensitive to stress, dryness, friction, and irritation. Even small daily triggers can quietly speed up collagen breakdown. This is why castor oil shows another important benefit for anti-aging skincare in your 60s. Beyond sealing moisture, castor oil has natural calming properties that help reduce this silent inflammation. When inflammation settles, collagen fibers are less likely to fracture and weaken. Think of collagen like threads in a fabric. If the environment is calm, the fabric holds. If it is constantly stressed, it thins and tears. Senior skin needs calm. This is why how you apply products matters just as much as what you apply. Aggressive rubbing, tugging, and rushing sends stress signals to the skin. Gentle pressing, slow massage, and consistency tell the skin it is safe to repair. When castor oil is applied slowly at night, it does more than moisturize. It signals rest. Many seniors notice that when they slow down their nighttime routine, their skin responds differently. Redness reduces, sensitivity eases, the face feels more settled by morning. This is not coincidence. Calm skin holds collagen better. This is also why seniors who live with constant stress often see faster facial aging. The face reflects what the nervous system experiences. Holistic health for seniors over 60 means caring for the skin and the signals sent to it. A simple practice that helps is combining castor oil application with slow breathing. Just 3 deep breaths while pressing the oil into the cheeks and forehead. This tells the body to shift into repair mode. Over time, seniors who do this consistently often describe their skin as stronger. Not tight, not shiny, strong. Fine lines soften gradually, skin rebounds better after sleep. That fragile, paper-thin feeling begins to fade. This is how reverse aging naturally actually works. Not by forcing change, but by protecting what you already have. Now let me be honest with you. If collagen protection is ignored, no routine lasts. This is why so many seniors feel hopeful for a few weeks, then disappointed again. They build, but they don't protect. This third step is what allows the first 2 to work long-term. Castor oil becomes more than a moisturizer, it becomes a guardian. And when the skin is calm, renewed, and sealed, something remarkable happens. It starts to respond again. In the final part, I will show you the most common mistakes seniors make with these remedies. One of them quietly cancels results without you realizing it.
Warnings, personalization, and special applications. Now, let me slow you down here, because this final part protects everything we've built together. Natural remedies can be powerful for seniors, but only when used with respect for aging skin. Most failures happen not because the method is wrong, but because it is overused or misunderstood. Warning 1. More is not better after 60. Senior skin does not respond well to excess. Using castor oil too heavily can clog pores for some skin types. Using baking soda too often can weaken the skin barrier. This is why moderation matters. Castor oil should feel like a thin veil, not a coating. If your skin feels sticky long after application, you are using too much. Baking soda should never be used more than once a week. For many seniors, once every 2 weeks is enough. Anti-aging natural remedies work best when they are gentle and consistent. Warning 2. Sensitive skin needs a different path. If you have rosacea, eczema, burning sensations, or persistent redness, baking soda may not be for you. That does not mean you cannot benefit from this approach. In these cases, skip exfoliation completely. Focus only on sealing and calming the skin. You can dilute castor oil with a lighter oil, like jojoba or olive oil. This keeps the barrier protected without overwhelming the skin. Holistic health over 60 is personal, not copied. Special application: neck, hands, and under eyes. Senior skin does not age only on the face. The neck and hands lose moisture and collagen quickly. These areas benefit greatly from castor oil applied at night. For under eyes, use the smallest amount possible. 1 drop spread across both ring fingers and gently pressed. Never rub, never stretch. This preserves elasticity and supports skin-tightening home remedies safely. How long until results? This is not a quick fix. Most seniors notice softness within 7 to 10 days, improved texture within 3 to 4 weeks, gradual softening of fine lines within 6 to 8 weeks. This timeline supports senior wellness tips grounded in reality. Consistency matters more than speed. Let me bring this together clearly. Ritual 1. Seal at night. Protect moisture and create the environment for repair. Ritual 2. Renew gently. Clear old skin without stripping or scrubbing. Ritual 3. Calm to protect collagen. Reduce inflammation so repair can last. This is how seniors begin to reverse aging naturally without pills, injections, or harsh treatments. Not by fighting the skin, by supporting it. If this spoke to you, subscribe to No Pill Zone and share this with someone over 60 who deserves gentle care. Your skin has carried you through decades of life. It deserves patience now. If you feel comfortable, drop your story in the comments. Tell me your age and one thing you've noticed changing about your skin. I read them personally, and your story may help another senior feel less alone on this journey.